Now, if you want to create a subscribe page of your channel, just like this one for your channel, then stay tuned and watch this video all the way till the end, as I will show you how to create this page using simple URL link, so you can add more subscribers. But before we start, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon, to get regular notification every time we upload a brand new video. So now, let's begin. To create the subscribe page, let's head on over to our computer screen. Go to YouTube menu, then go into your channel. Now simply up in the address bar, all we need to do is to copy this code and paste it at the end of the URL. Now whether you have a custom URL or not, it doesn't matter what your URL is. This method is applicable to all the channel links. Now after this, if you click on subscribe, it will show you cannot subscribe to your own YouTube channel, as YouTube don't allow self-subscriptions. Now if you want, you can also shorten this link and put it in description of your video or blog. To do that, go to bit.ly.com and paste the long subscription page URL over here. And click shorten. This will create your short link. Now, copy this link and paste it in your channel video description. So, that's how you create a subscribe page to your YouTube channel. And of course, if you want to copy the code, it is in the description below. So now, if you have used this tip, make sure to let me know in the comments below. And if you got any question on this, make sure to let me know in the comments below, and I'll do what I can to help you. Now if this video has helped you, make sure to share this video. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, so you get more videos like this. Also make sure to click one of the videos here, to know more tips and tricks to help your channel grow with YouTube.